Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best choice for your home or office. Let's dive in. The Aeitto Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is ideal for cocktails and soft drinks. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker produces standard bullet ice cubes, which are great for chilling beverages but lack the chewable texture that many prefer. This difference in ice type can significantly influence your choice depending on your ice preferences. When it comes to price, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker is positioned at a premium price of $469, reflecting its high capacity and advanced features. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker offers a budget-friendly option at just $109. This substantial price difference makes the COWSAR a more accessible choice for those on a tighter budget. In terms of daily output, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker excels with a capacity of 40 pounds of ice per day, making it perfect for large gatherings. Conversely, the COWSAR ice maker produces 26.5 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. This difference in output is crucial for users who need a higher volume of ice regularly. In conclusion, if you're looking for premium nugget ice and have the budget for it, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker is the way to go. However, if you need a portable and affordable solution for standard ice, the COWSAR ice maker is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like